Hello great people, here is Epa Eric from the Epa Mate. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to view your system information. If you are new to my channel, endeavor to subscribe, and you see the video helpful, please share and like if possible. The first step in viewing your system information, you go to this PC, you double click. When this open, you go to the system property here. Okay, when this have opened, you go down. You see this is your system informations. You have your device name, you have your processor, you have your install RAM, you have information about your product ID, you have device ID, you have your edition, your version, and the date in which this version of Windows was installed in your machine. Yeah, this is the first step in viewing your system information. So now there's the second step. The second step, just like the first step, you go to this PC, but at this juncture we don't double click on this PC. We right click. As you right click, this small box will open. You go to properties. Yeah, when you have clicked on the properties, this is what appears. This box carries your system information. You have your Windows edition, your Windows 10 Home, you have your processor, your install RAM. In fact, all the informations about your PC, but they're not detailed information. There's a way in which you can find detailed information about your PC. That is step 3. We are now on step 3, and here in step 3, you use the keyboard shortcut. You maintain the Windows key and you press R. When you do so, a box will appear in which you write CMD, which stands for command. And this black box will appear. I don't know if it's a black box or a black and white box. This box will appear. Here in this box, we do what? We give command to the PC and the PC execute the command. So there's a command which we shall type for system information. You write system info, shortcut of information. Then you click OK. You press the enter key. As you press the enter key, your machine is processing the information, is executing the information. Yeah, this is your computer informations, your PC informations, where you can find the OS name, the OS version, the OS manufacturer, the OS configuration. In fact, all the information inside your PC will be found here. These are your system informations, where you can find your antivirus. Where I'm using Kaspersky Security. You see your virtual memory, you see your physical memory. In fact, you see all your system informations here. Guys, thank you for watching this video. This marks the end of our tutorial. Please, if you see the video helpful, I hope that you guys share. Thank you and stay blessed. Peace.